Welcome back, HARBROS, to the HARBRO channel, where the HARBROs congregate and make jokes about Chernobyl and Charlie the Unicorn and everything is 3.6 Rocket. Now, this is a different video format, obviously, than you probably are used to. There have been some slight hiccups with the channel, but we have built a community that I do not want to lose. And so I had been planning to do a pivot towards a different type of channel. One, because there is a lot of value in going places, seeing tools up close, but something has happened where that is being expedited. So this won't be the normal format. I won't be playing Minesweeper in the background, but I do still want to give updates on deals. And I do want to give you an update today. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and I will try to provide answers best I can. But just there's gonna be a pivot in the channel. The last time I put my face in a video, I think I had about 50 subscribers, and I lost 2 subscribers. So I lost, 4% of my audience. So hopefully that doesn't happen. We're HARBROs. But if that does, if my face offends you, then that's unfortunate. Dang it. I'm going to learn a lot about myself here in this pivot of the channel. Again, it'll still be me explaining the deals best I can, likely visiting some of the stores, trying to get permission to make sure I can record in the stores. But that'll be the direction of the channel. But anyways, I'll leave it at that from that sense. But I do want to let everybody know that the Black Friday ad is out, and I don't feel comfortable showing it right now, but the Black Friday ad is now out. It is now 6 pages. So they have added some new items. I'm going to look at it briefly off screen. The ratchets, there was a big question about ratchets and what would be included. Of course, it said it excludes ratchet service sets. And that is confirmed. No sets, not even the meme tools, not included. Not included, just ratchets, 33 ratchets. For the Daytona jacks, only floor jacks, no dollies. 12 floor jacks to choose from. Mini toolboxes are now included in the Black Friday sale. There's the new US General, the 42 by 22 inch roll cab is now included in the Black Friday sale. I'm not going to link it in the description. You know what? I will link it in the description. I'll link the ad in the description. I'm just sharing their ad so you can go and see it. But it is clickable. It is brand new. And I wanted to make sure I shared that with the HARBROs because what I pride myself in is trying to get you the deals as soon as possible. And that might have caused an issue. Or it might just be that time of year. But either way, I wanted to share this with you. Clickable ad is out. There's going to be a pivot in the content because I don't want to lose this channel. I don't want to lose this community. And hopefully losing here at Minesweeper isn't some type of omen. But I'll leave it at that. I'll keep it brief and I'll keep it short. Clickable ad is out. I'll link it in the description. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.